Hey friends, if you wish to fix Kernelbase dll error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. First of all, search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter. Now go to the first option, scroll down and then go to the x64 version. Click on open, click on repair and let it repair it. Now it will need a while. Till then you can minimize and continue, and if this solution doesn't help, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.